Okay, welcome back. We have a question here. Find the derivative of y equal x squared from first principle. What is derivative? Derivative simply means the rate of change. Since we are given y is equal to x squared, it means we should find the rate of change in y with respect to x. Solution. From first principle, we should find the derivative. The question is y equal x squared. Let's call this equation 1. Okay, let's add y to change in y on the left side and x plus change in x to the right side. That will be y plus change in y equals x plus change in x. Remember, it is all squared. All squared. So, simplifying the right-hand side, leaving the left-hand side, we have y plus change in y to be equals to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared. Now, let's call this equation 2. Therefore, subtract equation 1 from 2. From 2, that means we'll have y plus change in y minus y, which is from equation 1. This is equation 2. Y plus change in y plus change in y minus y equals equation 2 here. We have x squared plus 2x change in x plus the x squared, then minus x squared from equation 1. Y cancels y. We are left with change in y to be equals to x squared. Cancel x squared. So we are left with 2x change in x plus the x squared. Therefore, divide both sides by change in x. That gives change in y over change in x on the left to be equals to 2x change in x over change in x plus change in x squared over change in x. Change in x cancel change in x. Here we have change in x squared and change in x that goes. We have just change in x. Therefore, we have change in y over change in x to be 2x plus change in x. Now, the last thing to do, take limits of change in x to 0. Which means, this means that change in y over change in x becomes dy over dx, which will now be equals to 2x plus 0. dy over dx will now be equals to 2x.